Hey y'all, I know it's been a while, but I'm out here in the streets of University. And I'm going to Food Truck Alley. Let's see what first up. Laura's Smoky Mesquite. Now I'm guessing this is not the front of it. So let's see if we can go around. Screaming Chameleon. That must be the name of it. I never knew this was over here, okay? So it's called a Mexican Fusion Smoked Barbecue Grill. Let's see what we got over here. We got brisket grilled cheese sandwich, fried mac and cheese balls, empanadas, quesadillas, bunch of a la carte. Okay. Little kids menu too. Okay. So we're gonna keep looking around. Hello. Good. So what we came for is sauces. I didn't know there was a whole experience over here. So sauces came to my neighborhood adjacent and I missed them. I think it's black owned, y'all. Skip the line, order from your phone. Drinks are available at the bar. No outside drinks. Okay. What we got? We got fried Cajun wings, fried pork chop. Ooh. No, that's one of my favorites, okay? They ain't got no boudin today now. I don't really eat that. But catfish rolls, shrimp roll, catfish, red beans and rice, catfish or shrimp polo gumbo. Okay. Price is kind of high, but you know, it happens. Inflation, child. But I might come back for that. So let's see what else we got. We got Sisters Tacos and more. They're so cute. Remind me of this game called Cooking Mama I used to play with my daughter. What we got? We got shrimp, street tacos, shrimp quesadillas, shrimp nachos. Okay, these should just be called shrimp, huh? Got nachos, beef or chicken, charro beans, flaming hot Cheetos, corn in a cup. You know, a lot of things on the menu taken out. But they got some chicken tenders, cheeseburger, quesadillas. If you want a taco, come on over here. This Sisters Tacos and More. It's okay. They ain't selling no drinks. Ooh, we got Puerto Rican food. Got some Puerto Ricans in there. I see them. Let's see what we got over here. Appetizers. It's all Puerto Rican food. So if you know Puerto Rican food, then you know what this is. You know what it is. Get with it, okay? Now, if you're going vegan, you can go vegan, okay? And let's see what y'all got here. We got a vegan burger, vegan loaded kimchi, grilled cheese with tempeh, gingerbread tea. Now that's something I want to try. Okay. Got a sampler platter. You just don't know what you like, but you want to try all the things. Then do this, okay? Cotton candy smoothie. Cotton candy lemon roll. Let me see them juicy roll. Okay, let's not do that. Okay, but we got another patty. Ooh, we got chicken waffles. I wonder what they put in their chicken. Okay, that's vegan. Then I got our last one. We got Spud Ranch on wheels. Let's see, butter, cheddar, cheese, topped with brown gravy. Ooh, that's a lot going on. But I see some funnel cake fries. That's up my alley. Okay, sorry. And we got burgers. Okay, they got some more brisket sandwiches, Texas burger. For y'all, spicy chicken, fried chicken sandwich, steak sandwich, Texas melt. that's something I might try. Um, Kids movie, and they got some more of these spuds. It's mostly potatoes, and they add stuff. But I'm down with this funnel cake fries over here. Okay, Frito pie, mustard sticks, fried pickle. Okay, might get me a burger or Texas melt or Texas brisket sandwich. That's what we're talking about. Let's show y'all the picture. Let me show. Yeah. Okay, this is exciting. We got our own little place over here. I'm excited. Let's just come over here and try any one of them. Just give them all a fair chance. Oh, they got a lunch special. What's this? Oh, this is the Puerto Rican one. That actually looked. So what should I get, y'all? I guess I came for sauces, so I guess I'm gonna try that first. I'm gonna go on and get me. Y'all see this right here? I ain't bald. Let's not talk about it. Anyway, I'm going to get me a fried catfish and shrimp, because that's what I came for. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. Let you know how it tastes. Okay. All right, y'all. Here's. I hope it's not too salty, cause child, ain't nobody trying to have the high blood pressure and can't sleep tonight. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna try shrimp first. It smells. Oh no, kind of regular, but salty. Will I get it again? Mm-mm. It's not the worst. I think I don't like the breading. Here's the fish. And the fish look good on the inside. Not really a fan of the outside, but let's hope it tastes good. Better. Because I like the thickness of the fish. Sometimes they be giving you that thin stuff. Ain't nobody trying to fool with that. That's pretty good. The outside is not overwhelming, and it just looked good. You got weight on it. All right, that's my review of sauces. It's just all right. I'm gonna eat it anyway.